In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated SMS and email sequences inside GoHighLevel without using any code or complicated integrations. If you've ever wanted to follow up automatically after someone books a call, signs up for a freebie, or fills out a form on your website, this tutorial is going to walk you through exactly how to make that happen. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully working automation that sends texts and emails on autopilot, even while you're offline or focused on other things. If you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it's an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform that helps you manage leads, appointments, and campaigns all in one place. You can build landing pages, track pipelines, and set up automations, pretty much everything you need to run a small business or coaching brand without juggling 10 different tools. What makes GoHighLevel so powerful is the automation builder. It lets you create automated actions that trigger when someone fills out a form or books a call or even makes a purchase. You can send text reminders, follow-up emails, or even create full nurture sequences. And the best part is you don't need to write a single line of code. It really is pretty easy to navigate. Before we jump into the walkthrough, here are a few key things you should know about automations inside GoHighLevel. First, everything runs off of triggers. So a trigger is an event like someone submitting a form, joining a campaign, or even getting tagged as a lead. Once that event happens, your automation starts running automatically. Second, you can mix different types of actions like sending a text, an email, and a voicemail drop, or assigning someone to your pipeline. That makes it easy to set up multi-step workflows that handle all of your follow-ups for you. Third, GoHighLevel includes built-in email and SMS tools, so you don't need to integrate separate services like MailChimp or something like that. Everything connects directly to your contacts in your CRM. And finally, automations are visual. You can drag and drop each step, reorder them, and adjust timing all from a single screen. Okay, now let's get into step-by-step how to do this. So if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, we do have a link down below that you can get an extended free trial. So it's 30 days rather than the normal 14. So all you have to do is click that link below, and then you can just click start an extended free trial. Then it'll ask you your name, company name, email, and phone number. And then step 2, you do have to add in a credit card, but it won't charge you until the 30 days is up. So again, make sure you're not accidentally getting charged if you don't feel like it's the best fit for you. Okay, and then once you are in, just to give you a little bit of a tour, we've got our dashboard right here. So this will show you opportunity status, your funnels, your stage distribution, any tasks, and you can customize all of this. And then we've got conversations where you can funnel all of your conversations into one place. They also have calendars, so you can create booking types and be able to send clarity calls or sales calls directly to a client, even in an automated sequence. All of your contacts will live right here. You can create smart lists, etc. And then this is your pipeline. So you can create multiple pipelines. You can even see the opportunity value by assigning that, and so much more. And then this is where payments are. So you'll want to integrate your Stripe or PayPal, whatever it is that you use. Then you can see things like where your invoices are in drafts, due, received, etc. They also have AI agents. They've got marketing, so emails, social planner, etc. And then automation, which is what we're going to talk about today. We've got websites, funnels, client portal, blog, and then membership site. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do first is go ahead and navigate to automations. We're going to click create workflow. We can start from scratch. They do have a bunch of templates here as well that you can look at if you would like, but we're going to go ahead and create one from scratch for now. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and add a trigger. So maybe we'll just click form submitted. Obviously, you already have to have the form created. Okay, and then we'll add a filter to determine which form it is. So form is marketing form. So maybe we created a lead magnet. So we'll go ahead and select that one. Other triggers are maybe if someone got tagged something. So if there's a tag, again, you have to make sure you have a tag in there, but maybe a tag added and it was, someone bought your daily planner. Okay, so you can have multiple triggers in the same workflow, or you can just have one. To delete, you just go ahead and click delete right here. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and create your first action. So what we're going to do is go ahead and select SMS, send SMS. Amazing. So there's templates right here that you can create, but SMS 1 will name that action. That's just for you to see. And then we'll go ahead and select something like this. So this is maybe someone booked a call. Maybe someone signed up and got a discount for something and you want to text them. You can say, hey, insert contact name, first name, here is your discount code, right? And then maybe we want a soft CTA, like, again, let's just use coaching as an example, right? Maybe you have that smart planner that you are allowing them to get a discount on, and that's what that form was filling out. They're getting 10% off that. So, hey, here's your discount code, whatever. And they got a discount if they signed up for, SMS and email. Okay, then you can go ahead and click save action. Then maybe next what we want to do is add an email. So we'll click send email. We'll want to add from name. So whatever your name is, from email, whatever it may be. Then the subject line. So now maybe we'll move into more of a welcome sequence. So, okay, they got their discount. They're officially in our email and SMS realm. So maybe this is our welcome sequence. So we can say, hey, first name, welcome to XYZ. I'm so happy you're here. Maybe this is like who you are and what your mission is. Just a little introduction. Okay. Email 1, mission, and who you are. Okay, maybe we'll say like, P.S. if you want to book a clarity call, here's the link. Okay, you can add your booking link directly right here. This was the clarity call booking page, new window. You obviously can customize this. Okay, do a little soft CTA. Then maybe we want to send, almost forgot. We need to add the waiting. So we'll add a time delay, maybe like 2 days. You really want to be aware of waiting periods, especially with text. Text is something that everybody sees, but people can get more overwhelmed and unsubscribe more often if you go overboard with the texting. So now maybe we waited a day for that. Cool. Now maybe we're going to wait 2 more days. Now we can go ahead and add an SMS. Just be like, hey, insert. Just again, with this, you can just say a little bit about yourself and say, if you want to book a free clarity call, go ahead and click here. I'd love to meet you, right? Okay, you can go ahead and click save. Again, you can go ahead and add a wait. Maybe we send it a second email. Maybe this is about your why you started the brand. Or it could be 5 tips to XYZ, whatever your coaching is about, right? 5 tips. Okay. Again, you can do as many or as little as you would like, but the point is here that you can do it all in one. It's so powerful. You can create multiple triggers. Like I said, you can create multiple SMS and email all in one. It is so, so powerful. You can do this for everything, right? Like if someone books an appointment or a clarity call with you, then you come in here and set up automations to, okay, great, trigger, form submitted or call booked, then amazing. Here's an automated booking, right? Like confirming. Then, so maybe someone books a call and then you want to send up automated messages after, right? So you can create from a template and we can say appointment confirmation and reminder, right? Here we go. Don't even have to customize that one from scratch. So here's one, it says confirmation email, right? Hey, your appointment has been confirmed. Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. Okay, time delay, 24 hours before the appointment. Amazing. Just a friendly reminder, 24 hours, 1 hour SMS. So this is 5 minutes before the actual event, 5-minute email reminder, and then 5-minute SMS. Again, it's so powerful because you can have everything in one place. As soon as your automation is ready to go, all you do is move this from draft to publish and you are ready to go, and it will work on the back end while you are sleeping or focusing on something else. I would always recommend testing everything. So enter your own email and phone number to make sure everything sends correctly. You should receive the SMS and email exactly as written with your name or placeholders replaced with your real info. Again, once that is done, you just click publish and your automation is now live. Now that you understand exactly how to use automations, let's talk about the pros and cons. You can decide if GoHighLevel is worth investing your time and money. The biggest pro of GoHighLevel automations is how everything is connected. You can manage forms, emails, SMS, pipelines, and booking calendars all in one place. So your follow-up process feels seamless for both you and your clients. You also get complete control over timing and personalization. You decide when messages go out, what they say, and who receives them. It's flexible but simple enough for beginners. Another major advantage is the no-code setup. Everything is visual. You're just stacking actions and adjusting timing. As for the downsides, the main one is that it can feel overwhelming when you first open up the automation dashboard. There's definitely a lot of options and the flexibility can make it hard to know where to start. But the good news is once you build 1 or 2 automations, it's going to click very, very quickly. The other small con is that GoHighLevel's email editor is pretty basic compared to full email marketing tools. It's great for simple sequences and reminders, but if you want detailed templates with fancy layouts, you might prefer designing them in Canva and then importing those visuals. Okay, now for the different plans and pricing options. So they have a couple different options here. They've got the starter, the unlimited, and the SaaS Pro. The starter is just $97 a month and you get access to everything that I showed you, the booking, the pipeline, social calendar, website builder, all the automations, and you get unlimited contacts and users. You also can set up 3 sub-accounts. Then we've got the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. With this, you get everything in the starter plan, but the main difference here is you get the unlimited sub accounts, so you can create as many as you need. You also get API access in branded desktop app as well. Then we've got the SaaS Pro, which is everything in unlimited, but you get SaaS mode, which is auto sub account creation, rebilling enabled as well. So if you're just looking to build your own website, maybe you're a solopreneur and just need automations for your small business specifically, then this starter plan is going to be perfect for you. So should you choose GoHighLevel for all of your automations? If you're ready to save time and finally stop manually following up with leads, GoHighLevel is an amazing choice. It's especially useful if you're already using it for landing pages or bookings because your automations connect directly to your forms and calendars. That means you can run your entire client communication flow without switching tools. If you want a simple way to build that system without touching code or relying on outside tools, GoHighLevel is one of the best platforms out there. As a personal note, I know automations can sound so intimidating at first, but once you set them up, it's honestly life-changing. You can focus on your own work while GoHighLevel handles the follow-ups, reminders, and client communication for you. If you want to try it out and get access to an extended free trial, make sure you use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build websites, automations, and online systems that actually save time and make money without needing to be a tech expert. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.